Introducing from Dale Hardware, Jigtech, the smart door handle fitting system.
Hi, my name's Dom. I'd like to introduce you to the new Jigtech Pro by Dale Hardware. Jigtech is a revolutionary system for fitting handles and latches, reducing fitting time from 30 minutes to under 5 minutes with 100% accuracy. Inside the box, you have the jig itself, 2 arbors, 3 hole saws, a spade bit and 2 special tools that I'll go back to later during the fitting. Okay, I'm now going to demonstrate how to use the kit. So I've pre-hung the door, I've wedged it, I've marked where my latch is going, so let me start the timer. Okay, so this is the jig itself. It's a 45mm back set and a 57mm back set. I'm adjusting mine to 57, as that is what my latch is. Place on the door, and with its unique self-centering system that it is, I can use it on either 45mm door, 35mm door, any thickness door. So I'm ready to now drill it. So firstly, I take the 44mm hole saw and arbor, place it in my cordless, and commence drilling from this side, making sure I'm keeping the drill level at all times. So I commence drilling. It's now just come through, so now I'll come back from the other side. So I now come to the reverse side of the door and start drilling this way, take the rest of the bore out. Perfect bore. Okay, so now I need to swap the 44mm hole saw for the 25mm hole saw to drill for the latch on the face of the door. Again, make sure you keep the drill really straight because it's really important so the latch goes in nice and straight. Okay, now I'm done with the jig now. That's it for this process. So take it off. Nice clean finish. It's now time for the tool I showed you earlier, the keep locator. So this goes in here, and this is going to locate where the keep goes. Push my screwdriver in, press it against the frame, and that'll locate where the keep's going. Now I'm going to show you how we fit the latch and handle. So, now I need my latch and my latch spacer. This goes inside the door here, and this pushes through here, making sure, look, that the latch faces the right way the door's going. Okay, keep that vertical at all times, make sure that's straight. Now what I need now out of the box is the latch tapper. So just help it on its way in, and that's it. Okay, so we're now done with the tapper. That can go back in the box, and I'm now going to grab the handle. As you can see from the handle here, it's already set when you get out of the box for a 35mm door, but that can easily be adjusted on the spindle. Also has these unique sleeves, so they slide straight through here and locate through to the other side, around each other, done. I'm going to cordless with these 2 screws. Fit the rows. Tighten the spindle. So now I'm going to drill out for my keep. I grab the 32mm spade bit, put it in my cordless, and the mark we used earlier from this, the keep locator, is where we start the drill off. It's got a depth stop on it so we know exactly how deep to go. It takes all the guesswork out for us. So now I grab the smart key and then put it in there. Get my Stanley knife out, just mark these lines and then chisel out the excess. So now I'm going to fit the socket and the faceplate. 2 screws to the left and the right hand side on the angle. So let's get those on. Now the faceplate, which are got anti-rattle adjusters as standard. See, lovely and smooth around there. Nice finish. Snip that up. Nice and flush. Let's check the door. Right, first time. Let's stop the timer. So there you go. Fitting under 5 minutes. The Jigtech Pro by Dale Hardware.